Today it's the 4th of May 2022. We have Malmin Kauppatie, Malmsandets väg Forstek is here. And Malm, first to Pukimäki Boxbacka here in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Malmi, not Finland. Past these 8 of 6 and 30 minutes. So Otis GeN2 here. Late 2000. It's really rare. 6 stacks here. 2001 here. The silver recipe, one in the 29.19.
Yeah.
But the years, late 2000. 6 months in the first.
I think probably wrong year because.
And the next year, 2023. The 1st of January 2001.
Yeah, but this older than in Hatampe because their serial numbers is it's 95 on Hatampe or 94 actually. Or yeah.
But this was maybe finished in 2001.
Yeah.
Or January 2001. Always talk about the door now.
Yeah. Expected paikkiväis maintained like on.
To 20 years old in 2021, not sure.
Yeah.
Close the door. That's it, thank you very much. Bringing it to the 4 other steps.
Yeah.
So this is really interesting. Late 2000 and January 2001.
That's